So you've been struggling to figure out what topics to use when you're creating your content, when you're creating your YouTube videos. You don't know what topics people are searching for. You don't know how to figure out what people are searching for. You don't know how to take the knowledge that you have and package it in a way that when you present it to people, that they will find it. And that is because you don't know how to use the keyword research tools that are available to you for free, by the way. So I have one that I'm going to share with you today. This one tool, this Google Keyword Planner tool, is the one tool that I have used to get over 1 million views on all, if we count up all the content that I've done over the past 10 years. This is the tool that I've used to rank those videos. This is it. So if you want to hear how I've used it and how you can use it to grow your channel, rank your videos, get your message out, this is how you do it. Let's get into it.
Problems in your life and you need advice. All you gotta do is ask Chauntel.
Hi guys.
Hi guys.
My name is Chauntel from AskChauntel.com, and these are my two girls. What's your name?
That's Nina.
And what's your name?
And my name is Eden from Girl from Daddy.
I'm a Christian mom and wife and a relationship, life, and business coach, and I'm here to inspire women to have healthy lives, healthy families, and meaningful businesses and brands. Welcome to our channel. We hope that you love the video. So if you didn't know, Google is the most used search engine, right? And YouTube comes second to that. Only second. And YouTube owns Google. So this is why the Google keyword search tool is life, okay? So hello, my beautiful jewels and gems. I'm Chauntel, and I help you to create a business and a brand that matters so that you can do more of what you love. And I'm excited to talk to you because I have been through this where I couldn't figure it out. So you can kind of guess, right? Okay, I think this is a good topic. I think that will be a good topic. I think people are searching for this. But then once you actually try it and you get crickets, then you start to feel the pain, and then you start to wonder, ooh, what are people actually searching for, right? This is what I've done. And in some cases, I was able to be really successful, right? And it was by chance, because most of the time, the people were asking me questions and I was responding to them. So that was good, because if you're in a class full of people, if one person raises their hand, there's at least 10 other people, right? I'm just throwing out numbers, but just go with me here. There's at least 10 other people out there that have the same question, but they're just afraid to ask it, right? So if you have somebody like I do, I had an advice column, still have the channel, just kind of took a break from it for a while. People were asking me questions. So when they asked the question, I answered the question. Then other people that had the same question found the video. So that's how it worked for me, kind of by chance. And I just kind of used my brain, what I thought people were searching for. But over time, that trial and error taught me, no, this is not the way to do it, because I thought I knew what people were searching for, but in many cases I did not. I had no idea. So Google Keyword Planner has changed my life, because I've been able to see how much you can really learn on the back end for what your audience is searching for. So let's jump on there and let's actually work with it, and let's use it so that I can show you the best practices for using Google Keyword Planner, okay? I'll put the link to Google Keyword Planner in the description for you. So I'm going to show you how to use it. So you click on Discover New Keywords, and you get through this through going through Google Ads, but you don't actually have to have an ad to do this work. Okay, so you go ahead and type in some keywords, some that you would like to look up, and they will also suggest some to you as well. And you have like a certain number that they'll give you. I think it's 10. And you'll type it in, and then you'll get to look at this. So it'll show you your keyword. It'll show you about how many people search for that keyword every month on Google. It will show you how it's changing or growing.
and it will also tell you how competitive the keyword is, like how many other people are out there using it. And then it will also give you an idea of how much advertisers would pay, or you might pay for that keyword as well. And so it gives you the value of the keyword.
2 more tips that I really want to add in. Besides you learned how to use it, you understand why it's important now. And now I want you to understand that the reason that this is so important, like imperative, that you use this is because not only does Google own YouTube and they are ranking 1 and 2 in search engine optimization, like where people are actually going to search for things, but also YouTube now is a whole tab on Google. So you have an opportunity to reach so many people, and if you are titling your videos in a way that people are able to find them because they're searching for those topics, then you have a whole space on Google for people to find you now. It's amazing. And the other thing is that you get the average monthly searches for what people are looking for when you use this Google Keyword Planner. It's a huge secret. It's for free. You don't have to pay anything for it. And it's going to give you the results that you need if you do all of the other things right? If you're creating good content, you have good thumbnails, titles, descriptions, if you're doing all of the things, this is going to help move you to the next level. It was something that I had to learn the hard way through trial and error. Some things worked, some things didn't. This worked for me, okay? And this is going to work for you, because people, if they're looking for it and you are solving a problem that they have in a way that they can receive the information, and you do it in a way that they can find the information, oh my gosh, you're going to be successful, right? You just have to learn how to package the information that you know and you have for people. And part of that packaging is knowing what they're searching for. And then if you know what they're searching for, then you can take your content and put it all together. So I hope that this helps. If it did, definitely subscribe to this YouTube channel, give this video a like, and we'll see you on the next one. Go create meaning. I love you guys so much. Hugs and kisses.